Okay, today we're going to talk about the Black & Decker 40 volt string trimmer, and got a problem with it. Now, what we have here is string that got caught. My bad, but as you can see right here, it is barely sticking out, so I'm going to have to do some surgery to remove it. Now, if you're like me, you've already removed the spool, and you've already removed the cap, and you've realized, well, there's no way to remove the housing. So we're going to have to remove some extra parts here. Now, I haven't seen a whole lot of videos yet, so I figured I'd make one. Let's see if this works out. Alright, let's see. First, we're going to start removing the edge guide. Just pull that out, pull it out the other side. Next, we have a screw here. Got to clean it up a little bit. Phillips head screw. Got some tabs for sliding in here. Imagine it's gonna slide out. We'll figure that one out. Now I got a screw out. Cleaned it up a little bit. Hopefully made it easy to pop out. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to remove some screws. Looks like we got Torx. Let me get my Torx set. Okay, it looks like it's a T15 Torx. Okay, I imagine we're going to need a little screwdriver, do a little bit of prying. Yes, and there you go. It was just that one little piece keeping me from doing what needs to be done. Okay, I think we're gonna put this back together. Truthfully, it wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be. Now, of course, I'm gonna put the screws back in very gently first. And then I'm gonna wrench them all down. Just gonna get them seated. Of course, I'm a bit lazy, so I'm going to use a driver, but be careful if you're doing that. Now that we all got them all seated, let's just give them one click. Alright, let's put the shield back on. Let's put this screw back in. Okay. And that's it. I believe we are where we left off. Let's go ahead and put our guide back in. But I do believe you guys got that covered. In any case, yeah, that was a whole lot easier. Hope this helped you. And maybe not be so apprehensive about going forward with it. I'm going to go ahead and put my set back together here, and appreciate you watching.